All right, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to open up this to put the batteries in. So you're going to need to get this little thing here. Now they say just to pop it right here, but I found it's really hard. So I've got this really small screwdriver that I kind of put in there, and I'm just going to go easy. And then once it does come up, I just kind of like easily pop it out. I don't want to pull it because I want to break it. And these things get stuck in here, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. You're going to need 8 of these AA's. And then you're going to slide them right in here like this. You want to go negative to the spring, right? So you're going to slide that in, and you're just going to continue to do that all the way through until you get them in there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So here I go, getting them in. Just make sure you put them in right, otherwise it's not going to work. So you see I put the negative to there. And whatever the spring is, usually that's where you got your negative thing. And then bam, now you got all of your batteries in there. You've got these 2 little nubs, and you got 2 little spots right there that you got to get it in there. And then these things have to set over there, and these 2 things here have to slide into those 2 holes. So you got to be careful with it. Just kind of get it in there. You got to bring it up and then bring it down. And you're going to see it really doesn't fit good. You know what I mean? It's not, oh, there we go. Finally, I get it on. Once I do, then I can push it down. But look, it doesn't want to do it. You got to kind of line it up. So this is not a really good design, I got to tell you. But, oh, there we go, we got it. Oh, what a nightmare. Anyway, you're going to have a little problem with that. Remember, just be gentle, try not to break it. But that's how you put the batteries in.